Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Remove this protective clip to remove the handle. So you have to access the handle to take the power switch out. I use a body clip down below. Just pull on it, that piece comes out. And I have 2 bolts with 10mm socket heads. And I'm gonna break those free. Now I'm ready to pull the switch up. I just firmly pull up on it and guide it out the front. Now you've exposed the main switch and you disconnect it by pushing on the lock tabs. I like to use a tool because sometimes my fingers aren't so strong. So I push down that tab, I pull it out. You get 4 of them on this model. This one's a little trickier. The tab is down here, and then you've got to pull it straight up. There you go. These little tabs, I like to use a pocket screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver. See, pry on one side. Now, on this case, I'll probably use 2 tools, like a trim tool, and then that way I can work myself around. And pry up. A little bit easier than it looks. There we go. One side's up. And I'll move down to this side. Last here. And that is the window control switch that you can buy separately, or you can buy the whole main switch. These parts are available at 1aauto.com. Just snap it back in. To reinstall, I just reverse procedure. I line my clips up, I snap them into place. See, that big one goes right there. It's always good practice to hear them click, but I just give it a little tug, only because you don't want to have it all mounted together and find out the mirror doesn't work because the plug didn't go all the way in. So there's a tab here, push down tab here, and a push down tab there. So I just line it up, push it down in place. Now I'm ready to put my handle back on. Start it by hand, makes it easier. This has a pin on it too. Guide pin that goes into the mount right there, so you know top to bottom. Snug them down. That's your 10mm socket again. Now we're ready to put the body trim on the handle. Top to bottom, you can see the curvature, the way it goes. Line the top slider up, and you just snap it down as it goes down. There we go. So I solved my own mystery. I go from the bottom up on that particular model.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.